Purple loosestrife, scientifically known as Lythrum salicaria, is a beautiful but an aggressive invader. It is an herbaceous perennial that may be from 3 to 10 feet tall. It may have up to 50 stems emerging from its base. Leaves are elongated and have smooth edges, and it flowers numerous purple flower spikes from early July to early September. This hardy plant grows in wet soil and can rapidly take over wetlands and shallow waters. This is significant because wetlands are most biologically diverse and productive ecosystems, with hundreds of species of birds, plants, mammals, amphibians, fish, and insects.
They rely on healthy wetlands for their survival. Purple loosestrife threatens native species by crowding them out and competes for water and sunlight. They create an extensive root path with 50 or more shoots that choke out other plant species, such as cattail, which are also hardy wetland plants. This can mean removal of this plant can be difficult and expensive if the area is heavily infested.
Each mature plant can produce up to 2.7 million seeds annually. Seeds are generally dispersed by water, but they can also spread by the wind, attach to wildlife, car tires, people, etc. Controlling the spread of purple loosestrife is crucial to the survival of native species in the state of Maine. Purple loosestrife can be classified as a wicked problem not only because it has been reported in the state of Maine, but throughout the United States.
One removal method other states tried is Galerusella pusilla or cello beetles, but were denied use by the state of Maine. They are also invasive, but they do exterminate purple loosestrife by eating it. The main worry was, when these beetles eat up the purple loosestrife population, will they adapt to eating something native to Maine?
What makes purple loosestrife a wicked problem is that it affects so many different groups and communities across our state, and it proposes different problems for each of these communities that we all need to group together and decide on different courses of action in order to overcome these problems. Different groups that are affected by purple loosestrife invading the state of Maine include the federal government and the Environmental Protection Agency, the state agencies that deal with invasive species such as purple loosestrife. Local residents have to deal with the invasive species on their homelands, and they interfere with daily life with these local residents. Tribal nation members have to deal with purple loosestrife invading their homelands that they've had for hundreds of years. And also another group that is affected by purple loosestrife are different removal companies across the state and biologists that are experimenting with different methods. And all of these groups have to work together and communicate with each other to promote different ideas for controlling purple loosestrife. All in all, purple loosestrife may look like a beautiful flower that you might find outside your home, but its dangerous effects cannot be overlooked, for it spreads easier than butter on a crumpet. The ongoing problem of purple loosestrife in our state of Maine is something that cannot be overlooked because it is affecting so many people across our state and so many different agencies and stakeholders in our communities. We must continue collaborating in order to reduce the effects of purple loosestrife, and hopefully one day the state of Maine will be rid of this awful invasive species.